Mini ITX motherboards are essential for compact, energy-efficient builds, enabling powerful computing in small spaces without sacrificing performance or connectivity. My today's video is about top 5 best ITX motherboard that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Gigabyte ITX Motherboard. This AM4 motherboard is a practical and stable platform for 3rd-gen AMD Ryzen processors, targeting budget to mid-range builders who prioritize reliability over cutting-edge features. The dual-channel DDR4 support with 2 DIMM slots is sufficient for mainstream workloads in gaming, though it limits future memory expansion compared to 4-slot boards. Its optimized VRM heatsink combined with a direct 6-phase digital PWM design using 55A DRMOS ensures consistent power delivery, improving thermal stability during sustained CPU loads and moderate overclocking. Expansion options include a PCIe 3.0x16 slot for graphics cards and a single NVMe PCIe 3.0x4 M.2 slot, offering decent storage speed but lacking Gen 4 support. Audio is handled by the ALC887 codec, which delivers acceptable everyday sound quality but is not aimed at audiophiles. Now our second product is Asus ITX Motherboard. This Asus motherboard presents a strong balance of intelligent automation, power efficiency, and next-gen connectivity aimed at high-performance PC builders. The inclusion of Asus AI Advisor, AI Overclocking, AI Networking 2, and AEMP significantly simplifies system tuning, making both beginners and advanced users able to extract optimized performance without deep manual tweaking. Its 10+2+1 power design rated up to 70A per stage, paired with ProCool power connectors, ensures stable and clean power delivery even under heavy CPU loads or sustained overclocking. Thermally, the board is equally well engineered, featuring oversized heatsinks, an integrated I/O cover, and high-conductivity thermal pads that help maintain consistent temperatures during demanding workloads. Storage capabilities are future-ready with dual PCIe 5.0 M.2 slots, enabling ultra-fast NVMe SSD performance for next-gen applications and gaming. Our third product is CUX ITX Motherboard. This Q670-based Mini ITX NAS motherboard is a highly specialized platform designed for compact yet powerful server, firewall, and storage-centric deployments. Supporting Intel 12th to 14th Gen LGA 1700 processors, it favors energy-efficient T-series CPUs with a 65W TDP recommendation, making it ideal for always-on NAS and edge computing environments rather than high-wattage gaming builds. Its standout feature is the advanced networking stack, offering 4 Intel i226 2.5 GBE ports, including a vPro-capable i226LM port for remote management, making it highly suitable for enterprise-grade network security or virtualization tasks. Storage flexibility is exceptional, with up to 6 SATA ports and 6 M.2 NVMe slots, enabling dense, high-speed data arrays in a compact footprint. DDR5 SODIMM support up to 64 GB ensures modern memory performance, while dual 4K display outputs enhance monitoring capability. With industrial-grade PCB design and extensive I/O, this board excels as a powerful, compact NAS and networking hub, though it demands careful power and setup consideration for stable deployment. Now number 4, Shangzhou Huayuan ITX Motherboard. This LGA 1150 Mini ITX motherboard is a legacy-focused yet surprisingly feature-rich option for users looking to revive or build a compact 4th-gen Intel system. Supporting Core i3, i5, i7, and Xeon E3 processors, it is well-suited for budget gaming, office tasks, or retro PC builds. The dual-channel DDR3 memory support up to 16 GB is adequate for lightweight workloads, though it clearly reflects an older platform limitation. Its 4-phase solid-state power design ensures basic electrical stability, while the inclusion of heat dissipation armor helps maintain consistent thermal performance under moderate load. Connectivity is a strong point for its class, offering HDMI, VGA, and DP outputs along with dual gigabit LAN, PCIe 3.0x16, SATA 3.0, USB 3.0, and an M.2 NVMe slot rare for this generation. However, reliance on DDR3 and missing modern platform efficiency limits long-term relevance. And our last choice is ASRock ITX Motherboard. This LGA 1700 motherboard is a forward-looking platform built to support Intel 12th, 13th, and future generation core processors, making it a solid foundation for modern performance builds. Its 7+1+1 power phase design with Dr. MOS for vCore and integrated graphics ensures stable and efficient power delivery, suitable for gaming and productivity workloads with moderate to high CPU demands. DDR5 memory support up to 7200 MHz OC, provides significant bandwidth headroom, enhancing system responsiveness in memory-intensive applications in next-gen gaming. Expansion flexibility is well balanced with a PCIe 5.0x16 slot for high-end GPUs, alongside a PCIe 3.0x16 slot for additional cards and an M.2 key E slot for Wi-Fi upgrades. Display connectivity via HDMI and DisplayPort ensures compatibility with modern monitors and multi-display setups. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.